Oh, dude, I think I'm in a tornado. What the fuck? And my dumbass has to ride this bitch, dude, that has barely any brakes. I can't see anything. Look, dude, the whole Suburban's shaking. Oh, man, dude. Oh, no, this is not good. This is definitely not good. Dude, there's literally, I swear to God, there's a fucking tornado. I think I was just in it. Oh man, dude, look. This is fucked up. Literally. Yeah, I think I'm in the tornado right now, man, dude. I can't see anything. Yeah. Oh, dude, here it comes again. Fuck, wrong day to fucking drive the Suburban with. Fuck. I'm fucked. Oh, fuck, there's hail. Fuck, dude, I can't sit here, dude. I'm a sitting duck. I can't sit here, dude. I'm a fucking sitting duck. Dude, there's a lot of hail. Oh, man. Oh, fuck, yeah, we're done. We're done. Yep. Dude, my shit's getting hit hard as hell right now with hail. Fuck, dude, I can't see jack shit. Let's do defrost. Yeah, man, dude. Oh, dude, my mirrors, everything are getting screwed over right now. Oh, man, dude, I can't see anything. I cannot see any fucking thing, dude. Yeah, there's a tornado, there's a bunch of trees down. Oh man, dude, am I fucking shaking in my fucking pants? Worst day to drive the Suburban too. I can't see anything. My brakes suck. Yeah, look, holy shit, dude, it's pushing me off. It's pushing me. Oh man, dude, it's definitely pushing me off the road. Earlier was scary, dude. I had to pull off because I was right by Milky Way Park in Harvard. Leaving work, and then it just completely went black. Like right now, you can start seeing a little bit. Yeah, dude, my Suburban's all over the road right now. I can't even keep it straight. Dude, this is nuts. Why? You can see it all coming from that side. There's like a wall. You can't see anything past that wall right there. Oh man, that was scary. It just died down a little bit, but I think it cracked my windshield. That was a lot of hail. Well, at least I'm in a heavy Chevy. Screw it. Oh man, yeah, I got no brakes. Oh. Really the worst time to drive my Suburban too. At least I got heat though. This thing sounds pretty cool. Yeah, there's branches everywhere. Yeah, I think the first one that I started doing my Snapchat video on, I think there was a tornado in that one because it literally, I seen a funnel cloud spinning right in front of me and I'm like, oh nice! Crap! What do I do? But it seemed to die down right now. Man, crap's nuts. Don't worry about all my lights. Look at that mileage, baby. 250 and still going strong. Holy crap. Went to go leave work, perfectly fine. And then literally 2 seconds after I get onto the main road, turn by Milky Way, holy crap, dude, there was a wall coming straight at me. Oh, it's all behind me now. Here, I'll open my window. Look at it all. It's like trying to race up. It's literally trying to race. You can't see shit. You literally cannot see nothing. Dude, that's how bad it is. I swear to God there's a tornado. Not gonna lie, I sort of like, I need to change my drawers when I get home. I think I sharted. Oh man, that was freaky deaky. And it doesn't help, my headlights, I need to get new headlights. Oh man, that was creepy. Oh man, at least the heat in this thing is hot. Yeah, I'm gonna get stuck in it again. It's racing up on me. Big time. Oh man, dude, the lightning is so damn close. That lightning is so damn close. Oh man, dude. I wish I would have put goddamn light bars and everything on the Suburban by now. Jesus. Yep, here it goes again. Told you, I'm creeping up on it again. It's trying to beat me. You can see it coming in the distance. You can't see anything from past that tree. Should just go to my aunts and chill out. Holy crap. Yeah, literally, my headlights are on. You can't see them. Jesus. And it sucks too, because this is a Suburban. 1500 Suburban. That thing is long. It's a box. And it's just blowing me all over. Holy crap, look at that tree. Oh no! Help! Oh dude, it got split right in half. Nice. Oh man, dude. Yeah, I can't see anything. Oh yeah, we're going right into it. Alright, I'll catch you guys later.